and I auditioned for the Chappelle show. And I was on the first recording of the Chappelle episode. And it was a Sally Field episode that completely failed miserably. So I was on the first episode of the Chappelle show that failed miserably back in the day. That was a Sally Field show.
Why did it fail miserably?
Because in film, when you're doing production, when you're doing skits, there's a lot of projects that fail miserably, that never make it. It just doesn't make it to television. And I has happened to be on one of those episodes. So it was just...
Sally Field, what was she, drunk or something?
It's just, you ever had one of those moments, I'm doing a recording, a discussion, and it just failed miserably. Things just don't always go the way we anticipated, Go ahead.
You like energy bars?
I don't smoke those.
But my contention here is a premise is this: a previous statement or proposition in which another is inferred. A premise as a verb, because a premise is an ambiguous word. It is a noun and a verb. The verb is a subset, or the secondary, or the secondary meaning, the subset.